This is a recipe of Katla Macher Kalia. We are going to make the Kalia for Katla fish around 1 kilo of weight. A quick recipe for Basmati Pulao is going to come soon. Stay connected. We are going to marinate this fish with half tablespoon of turmeric, half a tablespoon of red chili powder, salt as per taste. We will be coating these pieces of the fish with the spices evenly. Then we are going to set this aside. Let this marinate for half an hour. Heat the pan. I'm going to add mustard oil. I'll use mustard oil for this recipe. Let the oil come to the smoking point. All fish fried in batches and set aside. In the same oil, I'm going to fry some potatoes. I like potatoes in my fish kalia, but some people do not like. This is optional. I'm going to put the lid on so that the potatoes are cooked fast. Set the wedges aside. Slice 2 medium-sized onions. I'm going to fry them until golden brown. I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, one small chopped tomato, Now I am going to blend this masala. In the heated pan, I'm going to add a little bit of more mustard oil. Here I'm going to add a couple of bay leaves, some dried red chili, and some minced ginger. Three tablespoons of cumin and coriander powder, half a tablespoon turmeric powder, half a tablespoon chili powder, salt as per your taste. Sprinkle a little bit of water. I'm adding the onion blend. Mix well. I'm going to put the lid on and let this cook until oil separates. Now I'm going to add the fried potatoes. I'll add some sugar as per taste, half a teaspoon of garam masala, add 250 ml of boiling water. Put the lid on and bring to boil. I'm going to add some more water now. Adding 2 tablespoons of cashew nut powder. I'm going to add a few raisins. This is optional. Now I'm going to add the pieces of the fish into the gravy. Fish Fish Kalia Biyebari Style is ready to be served. Enjoy with Bashanti Pulao. A quick recipe for Bashanti Pulao is going to come soon. Stay connected.